Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Shall we look at an interesting matching question? Ready? Match column A with column B suitably. Look at the table. We have devices in column A and principles or components in column B. 1. AC generator. 1. Mutual induction. 2. DC generator. 2. Motor principle. 3. Loudspeaker. 3. Split ring. 4. Transformer. 4. Slip rings. Option A. 1 matches to 4. 2 matches to 1. 3 matches to 2. 4 matches to 3. Option B. 1 matches to 4. 2 matches to 3. 3 matches to 2. 4 matches to 1. Option C. 1 matches to 3. 2 matches to 1. 3 matches to 2. 4 matches to 3. Option D. 1 matches to 4. 2 matches to 1. 3 matches to 3. 4 matches to 2. Which one is correct? Let's find the correct match for each device. First, let's visualize the matching clearly. We need to connect the 4 devices to their correct corresponding property. Let's start with the first device, AC generator. An AC generator uses slip rings to transfer alternating current to the external circuit. So, the AC generator correctly matches with slip rings. That is, 1 matches to 4. Next, the DC generator. A DC generator requires a split ring commutator to reverse the current direction. So, the DC generator matches with the split ring. That is, 2 matches to 3. The third device is the loudspeaker. A loudspeaker operates on the motor principle. A current-carrying coil in a magnetic field experiences a force. So, loudspeaker matches with motor principle. That is, 3 matches to 2. Finally, the transformer. A transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. So, transformer matches with mutual induction. That is, 4 matches to 1. Combining all these, 1 matches to 4, 2 to 3, 3 to 2, and 4 to 1. So the correct answer is option B. Super! You have mastered this concept. Happy learning!